The students at the USC Suzanne Dvorak Peck School of Social Work are in crisis. The cost of the tuition for the MSW program is currently over $100,000, and the number one complaint among students is that they were not informed beforehand about the large tuition commitment or financial aid. The majority of our students are from first-generation and low SES backgrounds, making their prior knowledge about these aspects very limited. Many students find themselves in a situation where they can't afford to pay tuition after already committing. As a result, they leave the program in debt and without a degree. To solve this issue, I recommend creating a financial literacy information session for prospective students. This course will inform them about the tuition expectancies and graduate-level financial aid, and give them the opportunity to create a financial plan using a cost analysis worksheet. This way, students can see their out-of-pocket costs before they even commit to the program, so they can make a well-informed decision about attending based on their own personal finances. Very few programs provide this kind of financial literacy to prospective students. I'm asking you, as the Director of Admissions, to support the creation of this financial literacy information session and to be progressive in the way we educate our students before they even decide to join the program. To be a part of this innovation and end this crisis among students, please contact me at fakeemail.usc.edu.